Welcome to the Direkt studio. Today we have Zahler, the CEO of Industrial Solar, with us. They are going to the spotlight market soon. Hello Christian, how are you doing?
Hello Jan, good afternoon.
Can you first tell me what this company is about?
Industrial Solar is a turnkey provider for renewable energy systems for industrial customer. Our key focus are solar thermal systems, and our flagship product is a linear concentrating Fresnel collector, which can provide process heat for industrial applications in a temperature range up to 400 degrees C in the megawatt power range.
Great. This company has a history with another company called Absolicon. Can you please give the background around this?
Yes. Absolicon is a known Swedish company, also listed on Spotlight. They are known for the parabolic trough collector, and their business model nowadays is to sell automated production lines to produce this parabolic trough collector. And we know each other quite some time, and Absolicon basically helped us to relaunch the company and to list it on Spotlight. And we have good synergies between the two companies, as we have two products that are very complementary, and we have a lot of synergies between Absolicon and Industrial Solar. We are both addressing industrial process heat demand all over the world. They with a parabolic trough collector for lower temperatures up to 160 degrees C, and we with our Fresnel collector, which can go up to higher temperatures up to 400 degrees C.
Okay, we will still be back in your history. There was some trouble with your balance sheet before. Can you elaborate a bit about what this was about?
Yes. In 2015, Industrial Solar signed a convertible loan with a strategic Chinese investor. And the loan agreement contained the option to become a majority shareholder through conversion of this loan, combined with an additional investment. And at the time the loan was due and the option expired, the investor was not able to further invest due to financial difficulties related to his core business. Nevertheless, Industrial Solar ended negotiations with yet another potential strategic investor, but unfortunately, at the end of April 2018, a conflict of interest between these two investors based on competing business units emerged that could not be resolved, and Industrial Solar had to file for insolvency in early May 2018.
I see. Okay. There's obviously some potential in this company. How are you helped with the climate issue?
Yeah, the climate issue, how to say, it's a bit sad, but it's true, it's helping us. The public awareness of climate change has grown significantly over the last years, and currently we see a number of effects. The industrial customers show increasing interest in becoming clean and green, and in the future even carbon neutral. And this means that they also have an increasing interest in our technical solutions. And on political level, we see more action and support to fight climate change. And last but not least, very important, there is more and more clean financing, and there is impact financing schemes for industrial heat, which is helping us a lot.
Okay, so who is the buyer of your products?
Who is the buyer of your products? I mean, if you look in your fridge or in your kitchen and see the products, it's like everything that comes in cans or glasses. There are so many processes in industry. I mean, pharmaceutical, chemical industry, car tires. I mean, industry needs about 3 times as much thermal energy than electric energy. So there are plenty of customers out there, and the market volume is in a €1 billion range.
Okay, so at what market will you grow?
We have some key markets identified for us. There are several countries in the MENA region, also in Latin America. But generally speaking, we are addressing countries with high fossil fuel prices, high solar irradiation, industry, and awareness for climate change.
Okay. So this company is now going to Spotlight, and if you would like to tell an investor why they should invest in your company, what could you say to them?
Yeah, I mean, if you consider all those circumstances that I just mentioned before, such as the increase in customer interest, higher priorities for fighting climate change on political level, higher carbon prices, upcoming financing schemes, industrial solar is very well positioned in this upcoming market, and we expect to grow considerably over the next decade.
Okay, but can you also tell me a bit about the competition in this segment?
There's a growing number of companies and competitors. In this early phase, I do think this is very positive because this gives us a stronger momentum. So we are not the only players addressing solar process heat for industry. There are more and more, but industrial solar is definitely in a pole position as we have started to work on this topic already 15 years back, and we have now installations in 7 different countries, and we have developed our technology over the last decade, and we are very, very well positioned, and we are happy if there are other people also realizing that this is an upcoming market.
Great. Do you think this is a good time to go to the market?
Yes, I mean, these are turbulent times. It's exciting for us to come to the stock market. Like traditional companies are partly suffering. Investors want to divest, they want to get out of fossil fuels. And I consider companies like industrial solar, we are the future. And it's a good time for people to invest in companies like us, because we have a very huge potential for the future, as we are basically taking some of the old players into the new era, which is carbon-free and green.
Okay, Christian, thanks, and I wish you good luck.
Thank you very much.